Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Ma Moon. It's a joy to connect with you across time and space. If you're feeling anxious, worried, depressed, fearful, restless, feeling lack and limitation, scarcity, loneliness, perhaps even joyfulness, know that you're not alone, that so many people around the world can relate. I know I can relate to a lot of those things. Nevertheless, we're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust. Getting in a comfortable position where you can be upright, aware of your posture, aware of your space. Becoming aware of your presence. Letting go of tension in the stomach, relaxing the belly, pushing it outwards, feeling your breath drop down from the chest into the belly. When we take a deep breath in, I want you to visualize your whole body breathing in. And when you exhale, every cell in your body is exhaling, not just in the chest. So taking a deep breath in. And whole body exhaling. Whole body taking a breath in. And whole body exhaling, letting go. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, releasing, letting go of past. Coming into this present moment as you inhale. And exhale, releasing stress, letting go of worries. Breathing in love for yourself. And exhaling, letting go of fear. Breathing in 3 times. And exhaling 3 times. Inhaling 3 times. times. Following my lead. Staying with me now, aware of your posture, breathing in 3 times, and exhaling 3 times. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath at the top. Continuing to hold. And exhale. Letting go of tensions in the face, bringing a smile. Smiling at the anxieties inside, smiling at the fear that may be inside, recognizing that you're beyond anxiety, beyond fear, beyond anger, beyond the worries which come and go. Relaxing your belly, dropping the shoulders away from your ears. Relaxing your hands and feet, opening your chest, opening your heart to more self-love, more self-compassion, and more trust in the unfolding of your life. Having faith that life is taking care of life. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. The color for today is a light blue. The number is 10. And the animal is a toad. Coming into your body, coming in to this present moment, aware that you're breathing, aware that you're alive. And for a few moments, I want you just to let your mind be totally free. If your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Thank you for joining me across time and space, sending you a big hug. I'm making these videos a little shorter this week because I'm preparing to go for a travel where I'll be gone for a few days, and so doubling up on episodes. I know it's not the the normal length that you may be used to, but nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed this episode. And I hope that you have a beautiful day, recognizing beauty that is already inside you, just underneath the self-criticism, the inner critic that chatters. Letting go of that voice, coming back into love, coming back into trust. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.